Hi, this is David Sandy. Here's a quick video to show you how to operate some of my newer locks at some of my properties. First of all, the lock looks like this. The keypad is there, and you will be given your unique passcode. We change the passcode between all guests for security purposes. So after you've gotten your passcode, you simply walk up to the door, you touch anywhere on the pad so that lights up, like that. Then you put in your 4-digit passcode. We'll use 5678 for this demonstration. Then you hit the pound button. That will unlock the door and you can go in. Then to lock it, you make sure it's all the way closed. Sometimes the weather stripping will push the door back, so you have to make sure that it's all the way closed like that. And to lock it, you will press and hold the pound sign. You'll hear it beep twice, and now it's locked. You can check it. So that's how it works. Once again, to unlock the door, whenever the keypad is dark like that, you touch anywhere on there, it lights up, you put in your unique 4-digit passcode. For this example, we'll use 5678, and then you hit pound, and that unlocks the door. And it's just that easy. Call me if you have any questions.